Effective communication is a crucial skill in today's workplace, whether you're working on a team, presenting to a client, or simply chatting with co-workers. Clear and confident communication can make all the difference. So, how can you improve your communication skills? Here are some tips to get you started. First, let's talk about practicing active listening. This is about really focusing on what the other person is saying, instead of just thinking about what you want to say next. Imagine you're giving them your full attention, and here's a tip. Try to use open-ended questions. These are questions that can't be answered with just a yes or no. They show you're curious and really want to understand what the other person is sharing. This way, you're showing that you're not just hearing them, but you're truly engaged in the conversation. Second, use clear and concise language. Avoid jargon and technical terms that others may not understand. Speak in a way that is easily understandable by all, and use examples or analogies to clarify your point. Adding visuals like slides or diagrams can enhance your message. Visual aids make complex information easier to understand and remember. Keep them simple and related to what you're saying. Third, being mindful of your nonverbal communication is important. This means paying attention to your tone of voice, facial expressions, and body language. When you're talking, try to maintain eye contact as it shows you're engaged. Also, using a confident and friendly tone can make conversations feel comfortable and positive. And remember, avoid crossing your arms or looking distracted, as these signals can unintentionally close off communication. Fourth, when disagreements arise, stay calm and respectful. Instead of arguing, aim for a healthy discussion where you listen to different viewpoints. Finding common ground often leads to better solutions. Learning from feedback is key. When someone provides feedback, listen attentively and thank them for their input. Use their suggestions to grow and refine your communication skills. Remember, effective communication is not just about what you say, but also how you say it. By practicing active listening, using clear and concise language, being aware of your nonverbal communication, and collaborating with others, you can improve your communication skills and succeed in the workplace. Thanks for watching. For more tips and advice on improving your communication skills, be sure to subscribe to our channel.